So here's video 13. I'm just going to be very pragmatic about how I describe this. But after you get the viable thought, which I talked about, I think in video 2 or 3, you start with a why question, like why is this thing happening? The reason why you start with why is because you have a subjectivity to it instead of an objectivity to it. And then that subjectivity can open up a wide range of possibilities. And then once you become, there's plenty of thoughts behind it that mean nothing, because we could be stuck on why on certain complex issues in our life for almost a lifetime sometimes. But then all of a sudden a viable thought pops into your head and you go, hey, I could really provide myself some answers with that thought. So you take that thought and then you gain knowledge. And when I say gain knowledge, what that looks like is you're looking for videos, you're looking for websites, you're looking for maybe some kind of book or some kind of audio book or just some kind of a reference material, or maybe it's somebody that lives near you that really has a good grasp on what your knowledge is. And obviously you do this prehistoric thing called talk to another person. Okay, so you talk to the other person, they give you some wisdom, and then you go, man, you just sped up my time frame between maybe 5 years of learning to now I just learned it in 25 minutes. I bought myself 5 years of time because now I've cut out all the BS and went to somebody with experience and shaved down my time learning from some unknown amount to now we have it grasped inside of ourselves to have the knowledge that we're looking for. So once you have knowledge, you gain understanding. And how you know that works is because the mathing starts making sense. Hey, if I do this, this, and this, it's like a cause and effect type of deal. Hey, if I cause this thing to happen and the effect is this, that's exactly what I wanted. And so that's understanding. It's like, hey, I'm applying a knowledgeable principle, adding it to time and space, adding it to action, and then all of a sudden, man, I have an understanding of this because now I go from the knowledge of just understanding that you already just jumped from having just a viable thought. So in 2 steps, you went from viable thought to understanding. But you see there's a very purposeful process going on here that anything you want to be better in life or understand deeper in life or understand the maturity level of your life, the adulting as some people say, all boils down to these exact steps for every decision you have to make. It's like this is the program God put out. We discovered the scientific process. We discovered many elements of math, although there's some complexities of math we still haven't figured out. But the bottom line is God put this out as an absolute truth mechanism for us. I didn't invent this. I just discovered it over asking so many why questions over my life that this picture came apparent. And I think I'll stop there and I'll see you on the 14th.